We are back with another thing which is extremely crucial to keep relationships honest. But let's start with the story as usual.
Yeah, so the story is again our dating time, a dating period when we were hanging around, roaming
Yeah.
about the city. That's what we love to do always on our Kinetic Honda. And this was somewhere around Dadar area. So if you're aware of Mumbai, around Kabutar Khana. And obviously, lost in our conversations, he jumped the orange signal. And if you know Mumbai, obviously, if the mama, that's the traffic cop, if he's there, you just can't get away. And obviously, we parked the vehicle. He went to the traffic cop and managed something. And he came back very jubilant and he said, "You know what? I have managed it at 10 rupees." And I was, that reaction really.
The fine was 20 rupees that time.
Yeah, the fine was 20 rupees, and so he was kind of, valiantly telling me that I have managed it at 10 rupees, taking pride in it. However, I got so angry that time, I remember, and because the kind of families, obviously, like all other families, we come from, values are very important. So I remember getting really angry at him and saying that you shouldn't have done it.
That's not what you said.
No.
You said you are tomorrow onwards do not talk about your integrity because your integrity is sellable on the roads for 10 rupees. that was a sentence. And it was pretty harsh one actually. Yeah, that's what she said.
Yeah. I remember having a big fight after that.
So I mean, somebody like me who always considers, holier than thou kind of an approach in life, I almost exploded. I mean, how could you say that to me? And you don't know that money is, important, and all that happened. But thankfully, we were at Dadar, which was about 10 minutes away from where she stayed. So I dropped her. I was very grumpy. Came home fuming.
Yeah.
I was very annoyed actually. I mean, how could she say that? We were just new in our relationship, just a few months.
Yes.
And then in the night, I think the penny dropped. I think what she said hurt me. But then we always love to talk about this ethics, values, and all those big stuff. I was just a student, so it was very easy for me to talk big on these things. But where the rubber met the road, what I did is the litmus test. I was a student. In the Hindi word for that is aukad. My aukad is only do that at that point of time. So if I had more money or power, I would have perhaps done worse. So while what she said really hurt me, I think what she said was what she said was valid. And this has a deep impact on me because it's happened in 91 and last 29 years. I've never done that again. So I think the big feedback for me is that do what is right, don't do what is convenient. And that is a big takeaway. So a feedback, though sharp, given at a right time for a right cause, does have a impact, right?
Yeah. And I remember, I was wondering after that, he dropped me home, and I was wondering that, okay, I kind of really blew it off, or, I just gave him outright a feedback. How would he take it, And thankfully, we did not have any mobiles, so texting was not possible. And so I thought, I think we just gave each other a lot of space.
That happened. I mean,
just happened.
The space was given to each other by the conditions. And so I think next day in the morning when we met, I told her, look, I was really upset the way you talked to me, but I think what you said was absolutely right.
Yeah.
And
so that was one feedback to me as well, as to how I had said it, rather than what I had said it. So that was one feedback that was very important to me. So that's something that I have worked on personally for a long time now.
But the fun is that the matter ended there, actually.
Yeah.
And the beauty is that I think the key takeaway is that while we all have to care about how we give feedback, and we always keep saying feedback is a gift to someone you love, I think this whole incident we are talking about is about how do you take feedback.
Okay.
Because when you are in a relationship, and there will be those few whom you trust implicitly, those could be your partner, spouse, friends, family, anybody.
Your inner core.
Yeah, your inner core. And once you get a feedback from somebody like that, I think rather than how they talked or something about it, what they said, you have to focus on that. because otherwise you always have a risk of throwing baby with the bathwater. And I think that spontaneity is important, and you have to take the feedback the way it is given and just focus on the content, and that's about it. The other important aspect is that what worked is also she did not celebrate any victory saying that look,
Yeah.
I was right and stuff like that. We just, that conversation just ended there. So I think
Yeah, so
When-
there was no sentence like, see, I told you.
yeah, absolutely. And I think to your credit, I think that there never has been any sentence like that all these years, and that is one core. So you give feedback intensely, and when you get that feedback with the intensity, just see what is being said rather than how it is being said. And if you just focus on that, your relationships don't have to worry about what you will think about. They will always speak up your mind. And when your core, as you very rightly said, your inner core, when these people are comfortable talking their mind to you, that's the best way to maintain a healthy relationship. And that's very simple to follow. There's nothing complicated about it. And that just changes life. I mean, for me personally, 29 years, I've never bribed a cop, I've never done anything wrong. And so the big lesson was do what is right, not what is convenient. And this is how feedback changes your life. So I think when a feedback comes from somebody whom you trust, love, just take it. Focus on the content, not on how it is said. And life is good. Hope whatever we are talking is making sense to you. Do communicate your feedback to us. Subscribe to the channel. Your comments are extremely valuable to us. And we look forward to your comments and likes, and share it with anybody if you feel it is making sense. Thank you so much for
Thank
watching
you.
this video.